Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which juices on a budget to buy today. Don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below. Rather than buying sodas and powdered drinks, juicing proves to be a healthy alternative. It is also very convenient, allowing you to drink all your favorite juices and vegetables in a single glass. However, juices can be pretty expensive. This is why we have chosen the top 5 juices on a budget to suit your preference. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The juices on a budget that we have selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the number 1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The juicer on a budget coming in at number 5 on our list is the Black+Decker citrus juicer. This juicer is the most affordable one on our list. It's small, quick, and doesn't need any extra parts. The cone design handles large citruses like oranges and grapefruits and small citruses such as lemon and lime. Our team was simply able to push the citrus fruit into the cone and just watch it do all of the work. Its self-reversing cone changes direction during the juicing process, allowing us to get the most juice out of our fruit. The juicer features a 32-ounce clear view container that doubles as its pitcher, complete with a handle and spout. It also has convenient measurement marks, perfect for people who want to use this for juicing recipes. Our team also had the option to adjust the amount of pulp entering the juice by simply using its adjustable pulp control. With this feature, our team was able to conveniently collect the pulp in the strainer, giving us the option to dispose of it or use it in other recipes. Once done, we were able to simply pour its contents into a glass, providing us with a refreshingly healthy drink. Our team found the removable parts dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, saving us the time of hand washing, which would be quite a tedious process. Our team in the kitchen recommends this juicer for beginners or people who don't want anything more than a basic fruity citrus drink. It is simple, easy to use, and comes at a very affordable price, making it a perfect choice for individuals on a tight budget. The juicer on a budget coming in at number 4 on our list is the original healthy juicer, manual Wheatgrass juicer. This manual hand-crank juicer is particularly designed for stubborn vegetables. Thanks to its high juice yield and cold press technology, all the nutrients will be preserved, ensuring that you get the most out of every green you are juicing. This is made possible as it has no mechanism that generates heat, unlike its fast juicing counterparts. In terms of weight, our team found that the juicer is conveniently small and light, which makes carrying and storing it an easy task. Our team in the kitchen found operating this juicer very simple. We just simply placed the juice cup under the spout, inserted the vegetables into the chute and started cranking. It efficiently pushed all the juice out of the vegetables, giving us a refreshing drink. To maintain stability while cranking, the juicer has both a secure locking function base and a table clamp. Cleaning the juicer was easy as well. We simply unscrewed the 5 main parts and rinsed them off in a sink, taking only about 20 to 30 seconds. The juicer's components are made of BPA-free orgeat, which gives you the ultimate peace of mind knowing that none of your greens are being tainted by unsafe materials. In addition, it also has a stainless steel tip and a stainless steel end cap for long-lasting use. Our team in the kitchen recommends this manual juicer for people who don't want to spend much money, but also want a high-quality product that does its job well. This earns it a spot at number 4 on our list. The juicer on a budget coming in at number 3 on our list is the Cuisinart Pulp Control Citrus Juicer. This Cuisinart juicer is one of Amazon's best-selling citrus juicers. It falls right between the category of machines for beginners and expensive advanced ones. As its name suggests, this model is specifically designed for citruses only. The juicer has a brushed stainless steel design, which is elegant to look at and fits perfectly with other kitchen appliances. Our team tested its juicing capabilities, and the electric reamer really did a number on both small limes and large grapefruits. The machine has an adjustable auto-reversing reamer that features pulp control settings for your preference. The said settings come in 3 modes: low, medium, and high. This allows more efficient juicing, successfully grinding the citrus fruits of its contents. The juicer also has a final spin feature. Our team tested this feature by simply placing the cover and allowing the reamer to turn rapidly, maximizing the amount of juice extracted from each piece of fruit. When done right, it is capable of filling up to 400 milliliters in just a few minutes. Our team in the kitchen found its extra long snap-up spout to be very convenient, accommodating more glasses and preventing dripping. We also found the juicer is easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. It is composed of BPA material, making it safe for the mouth. Overall, this juicer is simple and easy to use. It has its own unique features that make the most out of your citrus fruit. Despite its relatively low price, it does a brilliant job in doing what it's designed to do, giving a well-deserved spot on our list. The juicer on a budget coming in at number 2 on our list is the Bonsenkitchen Slow Masticating Juicer Extractor. This juicer is built to preserve maximum nutrition. With 80 RPM, this slow masticating juicer is equipped with 7 upgraded segment spirals made of extremely durable PMMA material. These features allow the juicer to extract up to 90% more juice and nutrients from fruit and vegetables with minimal foaming and oxidation, which affects the juice quality. In addition, it has high-density 304 filters for efficient extraction, achieving higher juice yield compared to other juicers. It has soft and hard modes, specifically designed to extract from various fruits or vegetables. This juicer has a reverse function which allowed the team to remove food residue in the machine to avoid clogging. Our team was able to clean all the parts using its included brush, making the cleaning process easier and more convenient. In addition, our team found the detachable parts to be of superior quality and dishwasher safe. With noise levels lower than 60 decibels, our team found the juicer to operate quietly, perfect for when you're juicing at night or early in the morning. The juicer is composed of ABS, PC, and PP properties and is also BPA free, making it safe and non-toxic. It is also UL and ETL certified, meaning that the product falls under the safety guidelines of testing laboratories. By the time of making this video, the manufacturers offer a 1-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime technical support, which our team considers a great after-sales customer service. We at In the Kitchen believe this has all the makings of a great budget juicer. It is safe, easy to use, quiet, and comes with a variety of unique features, not to mention its 1-year warranty, a worthwhile choice for any buyer. Finally, we come to the number 1 juicer on a budget on our list, the Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juice Extractor. This centrifugal juicer gets the job done masterfully, while being one of the least expensive in this category. True to its name, it has a 3-inch wide chute, wide enough to fit a whole-sized apple. This cuts down on preparation time, making it ideal for individuals who want a glass of juice as quickly as possible. It also features an extra large pulp bin, removing the need for us to stop the blending process just to empty the pulp. Our team was able to test a wide variety of vegetables, and its 800-watt motor was more than enough to provide perfectly smooth juice in every combination. We also tested its capacity to make soy, almond, and rice milk, which it did remarkably well. Our team at In the Kitchen found the model very easy to set up, wherein we simply inserted the strainer and locked it in the lid with latches. There were no special tools needed for the assembly process, which was quick and convenient. The juicer's parts, such as the food pusher, juice cover, stainless steel strainer, pulp bin, and strainer bowl, are all removable, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. In addition, the said parts are all BPA free, making them non-toxic when used. Included in this package was a brush for easy cleaning after use. Its great after-sales service is backed by its 3-year limited warranty, which includes access to its dedicated customer support for Hamilton Beach employees. Overall, this juicer is reliable, efficient, high-speed, and easy to use. Our team at In the Kitchen was fascinated by its performance. Features, together with its 3-year limited warranty, this truly deserves the number 1 spot on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 juicers on a budget which got our team In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our juicers on a budget roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.